Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to Stocks Investing Science. In this video, we will look at the quarterly results and all the important updates provided in the quarterly reports for Titan Limited. As you can see, company has released their quarterly earnings now. Before going on to the consolidated numbers, I will give you a brief introduction on the company. Titan Company Limited is a joint venture between Tata Group and Tidco, started in 1984 as Titan Watches Limited. It's the fifth largest integrated own brand watch manufacturer globally, offering a wide range of brands in various categories like jewelry, watches, wearables, eye care, fragrances, fashion accessories, and Indian dress wear, catering to a diverse customer base. So that's a brief introduction on Titan Company. Now let's move on to the consolidated numbers. So the numbers are in crores. Let's look at the total income. Year on year, it has increased from 12,011 crores to 13,386 crores, accounting to a growth of almost 12% year on year. Coming to quarter on quarter, it's actually increased from 12,653 crores to 13,386 crores. Both year on year and quarter on quarter, it's actually performing well in terms of the total revenue. So quarter on quarter, it's given almost 6% growth. So now coming to the expenses. Yeah. Year on year, it has increased from 11,009 crores to 12,413 crores, and quarter on quarter as well, it's increased from 11,662 crores to 12,413 crores. Now let's look at the profits for the period. Year on year, it has actually fell from 756 crores to 715 crores, and quarter on quarter again, it is fell from 771 crores to 715 crores. So both quarter on quarter as well as year on year, the net profits is decreasing. Major reason is one is the cost of materials are increasing, and apart from that, there's nothing major as such. Everything is increased, but not something that we can have a look at it because it has drastically increased. So nothing like it has increased drastically anywhere. Maybe one thing I can see is this one, that is cost of material consumed, and apart from that, not this, even everything is increased but not drastically. Apart from that, purchase of stock in trade, this one has increased quite a bit from the last quarter, but again, it's not so much that we need to concern. But maybe one thing is this one, cost of materials, and apart from that, in terms of margin as well, it is standing at 7.3% for the current quarter, and previous quarter it was around 7.8, and previous year June quarter it was around 8.3. So even margin has dropped by almost 1% year on year. That's not a good sign for the company. And let's look at the EPS. So year on year, it has decreased slightly from 8.48 to 8.06, and quarter on quarter as well, it is decreased from 8.7 to 8.06. So that's the numbers. Now let's look at the segmental revenue and see where they've gone wrong in terms of the profitability. And looking at these are the the segments that they work on. So in terms of watches and wearables, going well. Even this one as well, jewelry, they are doing well. In terms of revenue, definitely they are doing well, and others somewhere, okay, let's not concentrate on that. Now let's look at the profits. So year on year, it is growing, not an issue. quarter on quarter as well it is growing. Watches segment, and let's see the jewelry segment has done well year on year as well as quarter on quarter. So accounting to the major revenue is the jewelry itself, so it's grown both year on year as well as quarter on quarter. And coming to the eye care as well, eye care has dipped. It's fell like drastically from 35 crores to 19 crores. That's where I think they have not done well. Maybe they could have done well. Make sure that the profitability would have come on track. Apart from that, even quarter on quarter it has done well, but again, so it is not up to the mark where the previous year was standing. So that's the one thing where they had gone wrong. So that's the numbers for Titan company. To summarize the whole numbers in terms of the growth perspective, so year on year the revenue has grown by almost 11-12%, and quarter on quarter as well it is decreased by almost 6%. And then quarter on quarter the net profits has decreased by almost 6%, and quarter on quarter also it is decreased by 7%. So this is the numbers for Titan. In terms of net profitability, company has not done well. Yeah, they did the sales, but they didn't get the profits out of it. So that's the problem for Titan. Let's see. And even the margins has also fell both year on year as well as quarter on quarter. So that's the numbers for Titan. Let's see how market reacts to these numbers when the market opens on Monday. But what do you think on the above numbers? Please do share your valuable thoughts on the results in the comment section, and please share this video with your friends, family, and also with the ones who have invested in this company, so that they will be aware on the quarterly numbers. And if you like this video, please do hit the like button and subscribe to button, and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future updates. And with that, I will come to end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again in my next video.